How's it going everyone, Space Life here. In today's episode I'm going to be showing you a few little video clips of some of the amazing fruits we have in our garden. And you can see we have our raspberry plants here, and they are really doing incredible this year thanks to my girlfriend. She put up all these canes around it and put the string around it to stop them falling on the floor, and they're just doing great this year. It's honestly the best they have ever done. We've never had this many raspberries before. So, big thanks to my girlfriend. Now, on to the blackberries. Now, these are really cool. They grow all over England, and these ones just popped up out of nowhere just outside our house. So then you can just pick as many blackberries as you want. You can see here we have a few wild strawberries just in our garden. We actually had a few strawberry plants years ago, and these just sprouted from that. As you know, they send out little runners. These just detach themselves into the ground, and we're not complaining. As you can see, we get a pretty nice harvest from them as well. Now this is a really nice fruit to have. Everyone loves an apple, so you gotta have an apple tree. And it's not too big either. Some apple trees are massive and they really produce a lot of shade in the garden, which can be a little bit off-putting. But this one's nice and small, and we still get a few apples out of it. Now this here is one of my favourite fruits, the red currant, and for some reason it always reminds me of holidays, and I love putting these in drinks, or you can make some amazing cocktails with these things. But usually I just love picking them straight off the plant. And of course the cherry tree. This is probably the best producer of fruit in our garden. We have had so many cherries off of this thing throughout the years. I really do love this tree, and everyone in my house loves it too. The amount of things you can cook with cherries as well. Really one of the best fruits around. So a massive thanks for watching this episode. I hope you liked it. If you get a chance, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I want to know, what is your favourite fruit? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.